Here we will learn how to create a Heroku account and login. Follow the steps given. 1. Search Heroku in the browser and you will get its official site, then hit enter. 2. The Heroku screen will appear if you already have account, just log in into it. 3. Otherwise click on sign up button, enter the following inputs and hit create free account. 4. We have account, we just need to log in into it. Fill your login details, press login button. The new screen will pops up, it will ask you for security of your account. 6. To add extra layer of protection, click continue. 7. Then register your verification method such as Salesforce Authenticator, OTP generator, security key, or you can cancel any of the following. 8. Then your Heroku dashboard will be opened. 9. You can see your application right below, also create new application and pipeline.